In this video, I'm going to introduce you to GPT Researcher. GPT Researcher takes care of everything from accurate source gathering to organization of research results, all in one platform designed to make your research process a breeze. The only problem with GPT Researcher is that it is GPT based, which means that you need a paid OpenAI API key. And if you are using for an extended period of time for a lot of research, your cloud bill or model, sorry, not the cloud bill, but the model bill could go out of hand fairly quickly, and you could get a bill surprise as a shock of your life. So that is the only downside of it. I hope and I wish that they would implement this on the basis of some open source free model so that anyone could use it for any research purposes. But all in all, a great tool, especially from coordinating and organizing the research. I will drop the link of this GPT researcher in video's description so that you could play around, especially if you have an OpenAI API key. So you can see that what you can do is you just need to put your OpenAI API key and then give it a topic or maybe a one or two liner, and then also what sort of report you want, research report or outline report. Once that's done, just click on research and you will get the output here. You can download that report as a PDF or simply copy it to the clipboard. So all in all, a really, really good idea, but I hope and wish that they would implement it on top of some open source LLM. Thank you very much.